poco a poquito, no nos vayas a dejar.
In my case, with a last name like Infante, I feel like my story started long before I was even here. So to honor that, honor my traditions, my heritage, that legacy, and really just celebrate those values. Working hard, teniendo humildad, having respect, just being loving and celebrating family, friends, life. That's what it's really all about. I had a lot of doubt in myself, especially when I first started in music. And I think it's important that we really do believe in ourselves. If you have a really strong base, if you have a strong mind, strong heart, that's really gonna take you wherever you wanna go. You're gonna be able to figure out what you want, and you're gonna be able to go and get it. That was exciting. Always nerve-wracking. A misconception about ranchera or mariachi music, I would say like people think that it's just easy or that it's simple, but that's not necessarily the case. I think it is a very complex music, and the culture is very complex and it's very beautiful, and to really understand it, it really does take years, and just understanding that passion behind every song, behind every grito. And I love that mariachi is so versatile in that way. It could be the most elegant, but also it could be like in a cantina, and you have to understand everything in between because it's all beautiful.